السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. ویلکم ٹو مدنی اسلامک اکیڈمی قرآن تجوید کورس آن لائن. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 13 from Madani Qaida Tashdeed. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Tashdeed? Viewers, the W-shaped sign like this is called Tashdeed. This sign is called Tashdeed in Arabic accent. What is mushaddad letter? A letter which has a Tashdeed, the W-shaped sign. This sign is called Tajweed sign. Any letter which has this sign on it is called mushaddad letter. Any letter in Arabic which has Tajweed sign, which is called W sign, that letter is called mushaddad letter. How do we pronounce mushaddad letter? Viewers, we pronounce the mushaddad letter twice. First, by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then by its own harkat with a slight pause, holding down slightly. How we pronounce the mushaddad letter we will learn with example. Mushaddad letter will be pronounced twice. First, by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then by its own harkat with a slight pause, holding down slightly. Let's see the example how we pronounce mushaddad letter. This is Hamza, and Hamza is mutaharrik because Hamza has zabar sign on it. Any letter which has zabar, zer, pesh, any harkat on it is called mutaharrik letter. And we know that mushaddad letter will be pronounced twice. Here ta is mushaddad letter because ta has mushaddad sign, W sign on it, and this sign always placed above the letter, on the letter. And ta here will be pronounced twice. How we pronounce this mushaddad letter ta? Let's see. Mushaddad letter will be pronounced twice. First, it joining by mutaharrik letter Hamza before it, and then secondly it will pronounce by its own harkat, and it has zabar. Ta has zabar harkat on it. Therefore ta will be pronounced twice because ta is mushaddad letter. Let's pronounce how we recite mushaddad letter. Hamza, ta, zabar, at, ta, zabarta, atta. We have slightly pause. We pronounce ta twice with slight pause. Recite like this: Hamza, ta, zabar, at, ta, zabar, ta, atta. The next example of mushaddad letter, how we pronounce mushaddad letter, let's see with this example. Ta is mushaddad letter here, and ta will be pronounced twice first by joining it with Hamza. Hamza is mutaharrik letter here because it has zir below it, and secondly it will pronounce by its own harkat and it has zabar on it. And ta is mushaddad letter here because ta has W sign or mushaddad sign. How we pronounce mushaddad letter? Recite like this: Hamza, ta, zir, it, ta, zabarta, itta. We have slight pause. We pronounce ta twice because we know mushaddad letter will be pronounced twice. Let's see how we pronounce mushaddad letter. Hamza, ta, zir, it, ta, zabarta, itta. The next example of mushaddad letter, here ta is mushaddad letter because ta has W sign or mushaddad sign on it. Mushaddad letter will be pronounced twice, first by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. Here Hamza is mutaharrik letter because Hamza has pesh on it. Any letter which has any harkat on it or below it, it is called mutaharrik letter. Ta will be pronounced twice, first joining with mutaharrik letter coming before it, and secondly it will be pronounced by its own harkat, and ta has zabar harkat on it. How we pronounce mushaddad letter? Recite like this: Hamza, ta, pesh, ut, ta, zabarta, utta. We pronounce mushaddad letter twice with slight pause. Slightly pause we have, and we pronounce mushaddad letter twice, first by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, which is Hamza. Hamza is mutaharrik letter. It will be corrected with ta. And secondly, ta will be pronounced according to its own harkat, and ta has zabar on it. Therefore, ta will be pronounced twice because ta has W sign on it. Ta is called mushaddad letter because ta has W sign or mushaddad sign on it. How we pronounce ta as a mushaddad letter? Recite like this: Hamza, ta, pesh, ut, ta, zabarta, utta, atta, itta, utta. This is the example of mushaddad letter. How we pronounce mushaddad letter? Mushaddad letter will be pronounced twice, first by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and second it will be pronounced by its own harkat. Inshallah, in next videos we will learn more example of mushaddad letters. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.